Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. Write down the number marked with the arrow on the scale above. So here I can see 3.7 and 3.8 and a halfway point marked here. To find the halfway point, simply find the sum of the values given and divide by 2, which gives us 3.75 as our halfway point. 3.75. Now here between 3.7 and 3.75, I can see that there are 5 markings. So what does that mean? That means each marking is 3.75 minus 3.7 divided by 5, which simply means that each marking is a difference of 0.01. So when we move from this marking, 0.01. When we move from this marking, 0.01. Finally, that means the arrow is pointing here. So we simply add 0.01 to the midway point plus 0.01. And our final answer is 3.76. Mark with an arrow the number 0.04 on the scale below. As said again, when you have two values, you simply add them and divide by 2 to find the halfway point. So this is now 0.05. And as said before, simply find how many markings there are between it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0.05 divided by 5 is simply 0.01. 0.01. So that means that 0.05 minus 0.01 must be where it is on the scale. So we can simply write here one nice arrow. Write the number 5.68 correct to one decimal place. Now, when it says to one decimal place, we simply look at the value after it and we follow the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it is 5 or greater, we round up. If it is 4 or less, we round down. And we can see that 8 is greater than 5, so we must round up. So instead of 5.68, we round up to 5.7. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.